The Australian McDonald's business is a subsidiary of McDonald's Corporation, which is listed on the New York Stock Exchange with the ticker symbol MCD. It is not listed in the Australian Stock Exchange, so you cannot invest in McDonald's directly. Pero may tatlong paraan naman para makapag-invest kung love mo talaga ang McDo. 1. Through a brokerage account with US market access like ComSec International. Search for MCD ticker, then buy the number of shares or fraction of share you want. 2. If you don't want to buy individual shares, you can invest in ETFs that include McDonald's. Ito ang ginagawa ko. I invest in S&P 500 ETFs na IVV. McDonald's is one of the top companies in the index. And 3, you can invest in global equity funds or listed investment companies that include US blue chip stocks like McDonald's. Cheers!